Yeah, I've got to start cleaning on this floor. I've done a lot of work here. Let me tell you, this whole entire room, I've got to this stage right here, and now I've got to do this hallway. I've already done this bedroom over here too. See there? Now I got my construction light on in there. That floor's done. And I also have done this closet. Okay. Now I'm going to work on this hallway. But here's one more thing. Remember, I had this open because this was the air conditioning vent area here, the return air, and this is where an air conditioner was. And remember, that was leaking. I pulled those covers apart and it was dripping. I couldn't quite figure out what happened. Well, check this out. I have not, remember I thought we were going to have to call an air conditioning service tech because there was water in this over here. And we pull this out. We've had the air conditioner run for a few days since then. Look at that. Nothing. Dry as a bone. You might wonder, how on earth did they get that? By just doing what they did. I'll explain that on another video. Watch for it. What am I going to talk about next time? We're going to let this floor dry. I just finished cleaning off this, and if you didn't see that, I've got that on my channel. I'll show you every aspect of how I got this floor to this stage, from carpet on down to taking the carpet tack strip out, the carpet pad, the tile that was underneath there, this tile right here, those two pieces, that was all on this floor, and then all the mastic. The mastic was awful, by the way. This was the mastic after I've already scraped the top layer off and cleaned this one time. Now I've got to get ready to clean this again. But, so while I'm doing that over there. I'm going to let this floor dry, because I got drips all over here, and I want to let this kind of blend in, because this was kind of painted white from about here over all the way along there. You can see a little bit of the remnant right there in the corner, and I want to let that dry all the way before I rinse this down. I'm going to do that next time. So you want to see me blend all this in. I've got to get this floor down a little bit lighter. I want to get it about this light right in here. I left it kind of dark over here at first, thinking maybe the owner liked the darkness, and she came in here and she said she wanted it a little bit lighter. So that's going to be easy enough to do, and I'm going to get it to this stage right here. Okay, I'll show you that next time. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.